Hi everyone, today my group will be present on about Dinophysiaceae. We are from group 6. These are my group members. First is Anis Akila binti On and Nick Balkis Nur Sofia, Nurujana binti Azmi, and last but not least is May Nur Mazni binti Muhammad Mufiq.
What is dinophysi? Dinophysi is dinoflagellates. They are highly grouped unicellular organisms that inhabit fresh, estuarine, and saltwater environment. Some dinophysi produce toxins that have negative impact to economic and public health risks. Dinophysi exhibit many types of lifestyle and nutrition besides the phototroph and mesotroph forms. Some species are endosymbionts of marine animals and protozoa and contribute to the formation of coral reef, while approximately 10% of the non-species are parasitic. The symbiotic partners of Dinophysia are sponge, coral, jellyfish, and the flatworm. These species vary diverse in size, commonly in reddish. Different species give different water color. Some have a rigid wall, others have none.
6 characteristics of Dinophysiaceae are: the first one is algae under this family is known as dark yellow to brown algae. Second, commonly known as seawater planktons. Third, they are free-living, symbiotic or parasitic organisms. Fourth, they reserve food material in the form of starch and oil. 5. They has condensed nucleus and banded chromosomes. Last one is the motile phases has two dissimilar flagella.
These are some of the importance of Dinophysia, which are: first, act as primary producer; second, major source of energy for other marine life; and lastly, produce oxygen for other aquatic organisms. First is some of the species are second major source of marine primary producer, so they have become one of the important components of food web in oceans and also in the freshwater. Besides that, they are major source of the energy for other marine life and also release a large amount of energy into planktonic food web, and they also can contribute to climate change process. Dinophysia also an important group as they help to provide oxygen for aquatic life, so they could survive more with the oxygen provided. Lastly, they act as endosymbionts. The association between Symbiodinium and reef-building corals is widely known. However, endosymbiotic zooxanthellae inhabit a great number of other invertebrates and protists, for example, many sea animals, jellyfish, nudibranch, and gigantic. Many extant dinoflagellates are parasites, either endoparasites or ectoparasites. They can parasitize animals and protect hosts. In most parasitic dinoflagellates, the infective stage resembles a typical motile dinoflagellate cells.
Lastly, we will undergo the application of Dinophysiaceae. Dinobryon are one of the species in Dinophysiaceae. They are mesotroph, capable of obtaining energy and carbon through photosynthesis and phagotrophy of bacteria. They are found in hard water and eutrophic water bodies. It is an algae of concern because it can cause taste and odor problems, especially in combination with other algae. They are also known to clothe filters.